Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with HubSpot using two-factor verification. Complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the HubSpot login page. Enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields. Click the login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a prompt for your verification code. Check your authentication app or your registered phone number for the verification code. Input the code into the designated field on the HubSpot login page. Once you've entered the code, click the Verify button. If the code is correct, you will be granted access to your HubSpot account. In the event the code is incorrect, double-check your entry or request a new code if necessary. If you misplace your device, HubSpot provides backup codes during setup. Make sure to store these codes securely. If you need to set up two-factor authentication, go to your account settings after logging in. Locate the security section and select two-step authentication. Follow the prompts to enable two-factor authentication. You will be asked to download an authentication app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. After downloading, scan the QR code displayed on your screen with the app. The app will generate a verification code for you. Enter this code into HubSpot to complete the setup. Confirm that two-factor authentication is now active by logging out and back in. Repeat the verification process to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, check the help documentation on HubSpot's website. This concludes the complete guide to authenticating with HubSpot using two-factor verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.